Welcome. In this session, we are going to learn basic SQL commands like create table, insert table. The both the DDL and DML commands of basic requirement. So, what are the commands we are learning here? Create table and altering a table, inserting values into the table, updating the contents of the table, renaming a column, and delete the values from the table. So, there are 5 queries and one create table statement. So, there are these 6 commands are there. These 6 commands are classified into two. One is DDL, data definition language, and DML, data manipulation language. Data definition language means create table is there. It will create the table. Create the table means table structure will be created. Column names, column data types in the table will be created. So this is called as data definition language. So similarly, altering a table. So table column will be added, columns can be deleted, renamed. So these commands are also data definition language. So this is one is there, altering the table using the rename command. So these three are data definition language. And B, it is inserting the values. So information that is to be stored into the table is inserting the values. So that is data manipulation language. This is modifying the contents of the table, deleting the contents of the table. These three are data manipulation language commands. However, this is the question for our first lab, creating a table and executing 5 queries. All are basic queries. For executing these queries, we need to confirm some commands. Some commands may be required during the execution of the queries. These queries, additional commands are not only for this practical session. These questions may these queries may require for any other classes also. So they will explain them whenever we use them and explain them whenever they are required. So we will straight away start the practical session. We will open SQL Plus from command line also. You can open it from anywhere. So username is system. I will enter the password. Password is the one which was created during the installation, or you might have changed after the installation also. But however, the password will be depending on your systems. So now straight away, first I am starting the create table statement. What does this create table statement do? It will create a table in the Oracle storage. So many students ask me, we have created table, sir, but it is not displaying others. Table will be created that will be stored in the permanent storage of the database. If you want to see the table contents, etc., you have to give another queries and you can use that table structure or data, but it will not be always on the screen. So you have to query it and get the information only. So for that, now very first question is that to creating a table. Here creating table, we are giving create table emp employee. So that is employee table, employee. So that is 5 columns are there. Emp number, that with data type of number can have maximum 5 digits. Similarly, ename, variable characters. So varchar2 is Oracle specification. Varchar2 is it can have maximum of 20. Whereas the specialty of varchar2 is that you if it is even if it has stored for defined for 20 characters wide, if and you are using only a small portion of that text, then the maximum storage will not be used. It is a flexible one. If you have defined 20 characters for that column and you are using only 5 characters in that, another 15 will be waste. If you are declaring a normal data type, varchar means it will only use 5 bytes of. So that is only storage flexibility is there in the varchar. Similarly, job is also varchar, manager is also number, salary is number, but we have to explain here 10 digits number is provision is there. Number 10 digits, out of them 2 are the decimal values. So number can have 8 whole integer, 8 digits in the integer part and 2 digits in the fractional part. So we can type this command in the command interface. Create table emp. You can employee also, you can type employee. And one more thing, you can observe that you can type it in a single line also. Employee number of 5, comma, e name where character of 20, job where character of 20, and then manager and salary, Mgr of 5, comma, salary, number of 10, comma, 2. So this is the command. So you can also execute it in multiple lines. This will also work, and I will show you one more example. So this will work, and similarly I will create one more table with the same description for just for showing the difference. So I will create emp only, emp itself. Again I will not type it, I will copy and paste. So this is also created. You can observe that create table emp number. What is the difference then? So why we are going to multiple lines means, if there is a typing mistake or problem in your query, it will specify which line the Oracle query processor will specify which line has error. So that time we need multiple lines command. So you have to split the command into multiple lines. That time it will be helpful to show the error. So this is, I have created to show you creating one table. I have created two tables. We will see what are the tables already created. So before continuing to the next query, I will show where the table is and what is the command for the select star from tab. This is the command for fetching what are the tables created already. So it has so many system tables will be there, they will also be scrolled up. Here you can observe emp one table is there, employee table is there. I have created these two tables. This help, product, user profile, these are the system user, Oracle system user tables. You don't bother about it, only we have created two tables today. You can scroll down, so there are so many so Oracle related files will be there, don't touch them, only these things. Now we have created the table, but it is not displayed here, only I can see the table name only. So how to check my table structure, what is the table, what is the content? So two queries are required for you to check this. DESCRIB, describe, EMPLOYE, employee. So this will give you the table structure. Describe employee command will give you the table structure. I have given this command in the utility commands that are in the last. You can check from that. Next is select star from EMPLOYE. Previously I have executed select star from tab. Tab means it will display all the tables from the current user. This one is select star from employee, we are specifying the table name. So contents of the table will be displayed here, no row selected. So I have created employee table. Employee tables, to see the table structure, I have to give the command describe employee. Describe employee will give you the details of what is the table structure is there. And then select star from employee is there. This is for select star from employee is for viewing the content of the table. Okay, for first query you check your table is created or properly or not. Once the table is created, you cannot create the same name another table with the same name, so it is giving error. Okay, this one also you should learner should remember that it is giving an error. You can check creatable employee emp in creatable emp in which whatever the domains are there, it is giving error. Name is already used by an existing object. That means you cannot create multiple tables of same name. So table names are unique. You cannot use the same number. If you want to create similar table means you can use emp1 emp2 like this, or employee1 employee2 empl empa empb like this. You can give different names for the same tables, but different names for the different tables, but the same name cannot be used for multiple tables. This one also students should remember. So we have created one table. This table has 5 columns, but there our command is that adding a column commission with domain to the employee table. So for that, this one is the command alter table emp add commission number. So I am everything I am doing in the employee table only. I will leave this emp table. Okay, alter table employee add commission. What is this for? So this will add another column to the existing table. Now you can see describe describe employee employee. So now we have got 6 columns: employee number, employee name, job, manager, salary, commission. But still there we have not inserted any information into that. So now we will insert the information. So table don't have any contents, but table is there, table structure is there. Now we will try to employee. One by one command we can. So this command I will explain there. Insert into employee. So insert into table name values. What are the values and how to give them? So on the on the order of the columns in the table, very first one 20001 is the employee number. We can observe it in the above table structure is also there. You can observe first column is table employee number, second column is employee name, Sidrama is there. Next is job is there, for job associate professor. Next Mgr manager ID is there, 5 digits number. Salary is there, so some 5 digits number is also given. Similarly commission is there, it is enough number with 2 digits only, 10 is given. So as the columns are there, in that order only we have to insert the information into the table. Now one row is created. Now we can see what is the content of the select star from. Now we are getting the information from this table, but it is split into 2 lines. So for this we have to arrange the display. For that utility we have given one more command. You can observe set line size 100 a bigger number. So this is related to this environment, working environment. Default it will be having only maximum some 80 characters wide screen display will be there after up to this place. After this place there is no display. So for that we are setting the line size to a wider area. Setting that. So setting this line size will not automatically display the employee table. You have to again give the query. Select star from employee. So now you can see that information is not divided into 2 lines, split into 2 lines. It is in a single line. You can observe that. So this is how I have created one table, I have added one column to the table, and I have inserted one row to the table, and I am displaying the information. We'll continue. For next queries, I'll directly cut and paste all these things once. Students should repeat these things. For your understanding, I have explained, and next commands I will directly copy and paste all the commands at once. Select star from employee. Now we can see 6 values are there. So I have inserted all 5 columns in a single one stage. So all are inserted. So we have executed a DML command of insert statement. Insert statement is a DML command. This will not automatically save the data to the permanent storage. We have to use a commit command that will store the this DML command insert statement whatever you have executed. This information will be stored into the permanent storage once you are executing a commit command. So this will save the data to the permanent storage. Now we will go to next query. What is this? Update employee set job is equal to superintendent, where employee number equals 2008. So by before executing this, I will explain there are three parts in this query. Update employee. We will specify, we update which table, then alter which column and what, and which rows are to be executed. If you just execute this one, I will roll back, don't worry. I will update employee set job is equal to superintendent. 6 rows will be updated. All the commands with these six employees job is also this altered. You will see, check it using the command select star from employee. Now you can see that all are altered. So however, don't worry, we have committed the values. So we will execute a command called as rollback. Rollback will roll back the system status to previous committed state. I have committed just before executing the update command. So my previous data will be reverted. Don't. So I will execute the rollback. Now select from. Okay, if you have committed the command after altering the table, you cannot roll back from to that stage. However, I have not committed, so I can roll back to the previous committed status. Before that, I can't. Once it is permanently stored to the hard disk, we can't get back. So what I have to do only for one employee, not for all employees. Here it was done, it did for all the employees. I am not going to do it for all employees. I will do it for any one employee. I will choose this one, 2008 Yashodhara. Okay, 2006, which is that Himantharaja. I will change him to superintendent. Okay, right, not 2006. 6 this person. Okay, I will change this person's value. Update employee set job is equal to superintendent, where employee number equals 2008. Who is that? Yashodhara again. It's okay. 2008 means this person. This person's job should be changed to superintendent. I will check it. Select start from employee. Now he has changed. You can see. This update command will change the employee job. So whichever column we are specifying here and whichever the value for that particular column will be changed there. So 6 rows are selected. Out of them, only one row is changed. So this one is over. Last column command alter table employee, rename column job to designation. So this column is there, this is job is there, so we'll alter this column heading to designation. So these things looks good if the column name is designation. So I have to change the column heading. So column heading is the changing of the column table structure. Table structure changing commands are called as data definition language commands. Column name to job to designation. Table altered. Now we will again see. I can check it by either by using the select command or describe command, because both will show you the um, table column names. So select describe. So job is not there. Job is changed to designation. Similarly, I will check from the contents also. Select star. So here column heading is changing. So this here only I am checking the table structure. Here I am checking the table along with the data, their heading is destination. So table heading is changed. This for D is the data definition language command. Next, last one is there, delete employee, where employee number equals 2006. I have to delete this person from this. In table 6 employees are there, I will delete the one person. Before that I will commit again. I can roll back, delete from employee, where emp number equals 20006. You might have observed that I have given filter command, otherwise all the employees will be deleted. And one more, students can observe the difference, that select, I have given here select star from employee, but here delete from employee I have not given star here. That means star specifies column headings. Star means all column headings. But when you are deleting that information from the table, you will be deleting whole row. Complete row will be deleted. One row will be deleted. So when we are deleting the whole row, what is the use of specifying the column heading? Column heading we can't specify. Yeah, one row will be deleted. So there is no provision for here for specifying the column names. Delete from employee, where employee name equals 2006. So one row is deleted. Now we will check to see what is the status of the database. So 6 rows are there. So last one, who is the Muhyiddin Khan, he is deleted. So this is how we have executed 5 commands and one create table statement. I think I have addressed all these additional commands. Select, displaying all the tables from the current user, describing the structure, set line size, student cell. So I have checked this all the additional commands also. The additional comments will be there, will be useful for each and every class also. These things, and also students can download the this file from the video description link below given. I have attached that to the video.